Magandang umaga. So, 3 grateful things. Pinagpapasalamat ko lately was, syempre, we have a new breath of life and sobrang grateful ako na meron tayong mentors and Almighty God just really know how to bless people. Totoo talaga yung sinabi nilang when it rain, it pours. Talagang pag ginawa mo lang ng ginawa, tinuloy mo lang ng tinuloy yung bagay na alam mong um, para sa pangarap mo, or if you just wanted something really, truly, you desire it, and by actions na ginagawa mo siya ng ginagawa, you're communicating and you're sending out to Almighty God that you really want it. And He gives you. And hard work always paid off. Kasi nag-struggle talaga ako na I started na i-full-time yung online business because hindi naman ako business person, I'm an employee, isa ako nanay, so ang amazing lang na talagang basta sumabay ka, nakinig ka sa mentors. Kasi may trainings naman ng Elites Empire and nagbubunga talaga siya. Hmm? Ang amazing din na kahapon I had a wonderful conversation with the Empress for whom I feel so blessed na nakakausap ko siya na grabe. Diba? Kasi she's the Grand Mentor of Elites Empire and it's a sermon but grabe. It's a privilege na masermonan ng Empress Pearl Home. Tapos, namin napakagandang masterclass gabi si Goddess about personal branding. Like, I was really messaging people online ng how to make more quality videos and anything. Answered pressure yung masterclass na yun na, oh, I don't need to buy or mag-pay pa outside because Elites Empire already have it all for you. Yung mga maisip mo na, kailangan ko nito, kailangan ko niyan. They have it all for you. So, kung ikaw na-curious ka kung paano ka makakapag-maximize ng phone mo at yung internet na binabayaran mo ay ma-maximize mo din nang nasa bahay ka lang, message me now.